Hi, my name is David Palaziz. I'm an independent insurance broker, and I've had the opportunity of working with 427 Auto Collision for over 30 years. Without question, the main factor is the customer service. Customer service experience is everything. We are in the claims business. As an independent insurance broker, I consider myself in the claims business. And providing the customers with exceptional claims service is a priority. I feel confident in sending my clients to 427 because I know that they're going to be taken care of better than any other body shop that I've ever had the opportunity to work with. Throughout the entire repair process, we are kept in the loop by 427 when we want to be. So we can be emailed, text, and kept in the loop throughout the entire durations. We want to ensure that the customer experience and journey is taken care of from beginning to end. And with 427, we know that it's always going to be incredible customer experience and journey for them.